How many loads of laundry does the average person do? Are you concerned that you're going a little over the top with your washing, or are you worried that you don't clean your clothes enough? Let's take a look at how many loads of laundry the average person does so you can see how you compare. According to our research, most people in the UK do 1 to 3 loads of laundry each per week. This means the average person would do about 2 loads per week, 8 or 9 loads a month, and around 100 loads a year. A 2-person household might do 3 to 5 loads of laundry a week, 15 to 20 a month, and around 200 a year. The average 3-person home does about 6 to 8 loads of laundry a week, which works out at 30 a month and 360 a year. A family of 4 are likely to do 8 to 10 loads of laundry a week, working out at roughly 40 a month and 470 a year. However, these numbers can vary a lot depending on different factors. If you have a baby or young children, this will mean you'll need to do a lot more laundry than you otherwise would. Your lifestyle and interests also play a big part. For example, if you go to the gym several times a week, you'll need to do more loads of laundry. If your hobbies don't involve sweating or getting dirty, you won't need to do so much laundry. Your job and whether or not you have kids at school also makes a big difference. If you have to wash work and school uniforms, that will mean more loads of laundry than if you wear casual clothes all the time. If you have a manual job, you'll need to wash your work clothes more often than if you work in an office. Your own washing habits also affect how much laundry you do. Some people wash clothes after every use, while others are happy to wear clothes several times before washing them. Another important factor is how much time you have. If you're very pressed for time, you might just not be able to wash clothes as often as you would like to. If you have a huge wardrobe full of clothes, you'll be able to go longer between washes. Instead of doing several washes a week, you could do one big wash once a week or less often. In conclusion, there's no definitive answer to how many loads of laundry you should be doing, but our research suggests that the average person does about 2 loads of laundry a week. For more interesting laundry facts and tips, check out our website, inthewash.co.uk.